Add some water to soften the clay and make it into different sizes of balls. Roll the clay into balls like this. This is for the body. This is for the face. These both are for the legs. These both are for hands. These both are for ears. This is for the trunk. These both are for the tusks. Take the biggest ball and shape it into a triangular shape like this. Roll out 4 balls for the hands and legs into cylindrical shapes. Then curve the cylinders and make it as legs. Like this. Form 2 cylinders into the legs. Then start forming the other 2 cylinders into hands. Make the hands in the same shape. Make the hands with the same size. For fingers, add some markings. Use scissors to mark the fingers. Like that. Do the same thing to the other hand also, but make the hand blessing. Now start rolling the trunk. Place it on the body. Roll a small ball and keep it in his palm as a laddu. Now start crafting the ears with two balls. Make the ears big, as Ganesha has very large ears. Okay. Start making the other clay as a crown. First make it into a triangular shape. Take one small ball and make it into small cylinders and add it as tusks. Apply water to smoothen the Vinayaka clay doll. Now add some marks for the Ganesha's tusk as a curve.
Now put some clay to make the doll stand properly.
బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చెప్పలేదు.
Add 2 peppercorns as the eyes of Ganesha. Now your Ganesha doll is ready. If you've made the Ganesha doll with white clay, you can happily paint it and make it colorful. Thank you.